Does the Nothing phone has what it takes to beat the iPhone 14 Pro Max? With the iPhone 14 Pro Max already released, it wins this round. Currently, we don't have any information about the Nothing phone, but we expect it to be lighter than the iPhone. Obviously, the iPhone has the better build here, so it wins this round. The iPhone also has a better display type, so the iPhone wins. The iPhone has a higher display resolution, so the iPhone wins again. Both runs their latest software, so it will be a tie. The iPhone has a better chipset here overall, so the iPhone wins. The iPhone has a bigger storage available, so it wins. The iPhone also has a better camera modules, so the iPhone wins this category. The iPhone supports many video features, so it wins. The Nothing phone wins here because it has a higher front camera resolution and a bigger camera sensor. The Nothing phone supports Wi-Fi 7, so the Nothing phone wins. The iPhone has a barometer sensor, so it wins. The iPhone has a smaller battery, but it is proven that it can stand longer with the help with its software. The iPhone offers more colors, so the iPhone wins. The Nothing phone is expectedly cheaper than the iPhone, so the Nothing phone wins here.
These are the pros and cons for each devices.
So which phone is better? It is obviously the iPhone 14 Pro Max. However, if you don't have the budget and you want to have an iPhone, I prefer the iPhone 12 so you can experience such. So this is where the video ends. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content.